office jong District Legal Services Authority DLSA, but ki Asha Awareness Support Help and Action Unit East Chantil District Khynnah kasngi palay. Kala Pynlong yak legal literacy program halor kapang towards child marriage free village initiative kam rally hapo ka NALSA Asha Sub and Bal Viva Mukh Bharat campaign ha Khliehriat East Chantil Hills District. Yakini ka jingya rally lasdang na Madan Khliehriat High Secondary School. But ya lingba ka Surak ba National Highway 6 sha Khliehriat West Community Hall Junction but one pai biang sha Madan Khliehriat High Secondary School. Ka jing tmu jong kani ka rally ka long ban pens ngo tho yi Khynnah school halor ka Shong Khynnah ka balong bian. Na one banishim benta the additional public prosecutor East Chantil Hills ka kong Melody War Chief Legal Aid Defense Counsel Kong R. Manar, Deputy Chief Legal Aid Defense Counsel Kong P. Paswan, Special Educator East Chantil Hills Pa Salanbor Kamar, Kirukhat Asha Union, Nagatanat Pulen, Bat Ki Khynnah School. Additional Public Prosecutor Kong Melody War, Haga Jinkran Bat Pinshairu, Halor, Ki Kindon Jonga Pokso Ang, but batay banya ya ki jingma ki bakraw ki ba mi na ka Shong Khynnah.
India. Let us all take the pledge. I pledge to make every possible effort against child marriage, ensure that no child marriage takes place in my family, neighborhood or community. Report any attempt of child marriage to the Panchayat and government authorities. Raise my voice for the education and safety of all children.
Then that marriage would be null and void, which means that marriage would be no marriage at all. It would be illegal. It would be against the law. So this act it particularly prohibits the solemnization of child marriage. Let me tell you about this. When it says solemnization, whenever somebody gets married, we'll have a family member, we'll have a guardian, we'll have a friends, or we'll have anybody who is looking after us, right? And if this person, they are pursuing us, they are selling us to different, let's say trafficking or selling us to different person for the purpose of marriage. Or if a family, let's say our parents, they are okay for us to get married with any male person, with any adult person. And then they went to the father, they went to the pastor, they went to Pandit, they went to any of the person who have the authority to solemnize the marriage. And then they promoting you, they telling you to go and get married without considering of your age, okay, without considering that you are a minor. Then those person, may it be your family, may it be your teacher, may it be anybody of your guardian, and those pastor and those father and those pandit or anybody who solemnize your marriage, they will be punished under this law.